байна уу? Өнөөдөр би та нартай миний үсний transformation буюу яаж ингэж өөрчлөгдсөн талаар хуваалцахаар өнөөдрийн quarantine видео нэгийг бэлтгээд байна. So cooked ice cream and cheese okay. This is unreal. Really nice. They're really talented. Really talented. So, long story short, like dreaming to dye my hair purple since like I don't know how many years. This quarantine, I wanted to have it, so I booked an appointment for a consultation, but it just happened right there. So first I want to share with you guys how it's done, and then after I'll tell you how much I paid. And yeah, I'm super happy with the result. That was pretty freaking expensive, I guess. So guys, I'm gonna show you how I transform my hair to this. To this. Okay, hi guys. Oh, thank you. I'm so excited here today to bleach my hair purple. Because right now I have the roots are purple. And my hair is pretty long. So itchy over there.
2 hours later.
Right, we're gonna wash it now.
Oh?
No.
Very long now. Maybe but still need one more time.
Yeah.
One more time.
Three hours later.
Very long. Yes, it's very long. Yes, but still a little bit orange. Which perfume you use?
Perfume?
Yes. Smell very good.
And next two.
You make? Oh, that's nice. No more shampoo. You make complete the strawberry shampoo.
Wow, it smells good.
Thank you. See? Not orange anymore.
Okay, tell me guys what you're gonna do.
We're doing the hair color for you now. Yes. We see the good result later, okay? We'll start from the roots.
So we toned it with some greenish. Gray on the top and then pink for the rest.
这花属于别染的，
但最后要做减轻。
So going pink now.
сайн байх гэж хайр марийн түүхийгээд арманда хайрч гисэн найзууч шоолч илээ гай тимээ гадаач хайрч урсаа дуусч
6.5 hours later.
Yeah, it's more purple. Purple.
Purple first and pink then.
This is my 80 bucks treatment.
아니 가요. 이거 나와요.
More stronger.
Okay, protect the hair and make more stronger.
Phải đấy đấy. Massage your hair.
хотын чимээ шуган дүүжрэл ханагтай шиглэг хүчим хяналтаас давж гжигдэн улан дор гарах чимээ нэг л дотн чи хөвчөө зүгээ дар талаас минь над руу цоо ширт Ахтатас юучстугүй байсан мөч намар байсныг нөө чартахгүй би чамтай мөрөд өгөх болоор үчсэхгүй чамаас постын баярлуулахад ямар ч үртэхгүй yeah мөн сайн мэдэлцээ no томог ширтэлцээ токико ингэрт мэн no токонт ингэрскэн oh no чэмэн бод
Makeup 해줬라. So cold outside. Today is like perfect day for vlogging. Looks foggy. So it cost me $575 Australian dollars. The color itself, it was $400, and after the color is done, they want to like do a treatment for my hair. So $80 a treatment for my hair, and then $20 I bought an oil, and $45 purple shampoo, but they gave me like free haircut a little bit. So it was really nice of them, and it took us 67 hours and 2 times bleach. So first time we bleached it, and then my roots were pretty good. The bottoms were still pretty dark and orange. So we decided to go for the second round, and second round they bleached it again, and we waited pretty long. I didn't even know like I can sit with the bleach that long. First one I waited an hour, and then second one I think I waited like 40 minutes. Pretty long. After the second bleach, it was still a little bit yellow, some parts on my bottom. Super impressive that they actually make some toning product to like wash it off, like the dark hair coloring that I have underneath the hair. I think it just washes it away. So after the toning, it almost a little bit looked like silver green. It was pretty awesome to see my hair transform. And after we did this chalk gray on the top and this pink, we put 2 layers of pink. Second layer they did it a little bit strong, and it turns out a little bit stronger. It is stunning. It is stunning. It is perfect purple color. I would ever dream to have my hair this and my hair feels pretty good. I don't know why. I was feeling a little bit annoyed how it was getting long, and it was a little bit getting dry, and yeah, I was just getting bored of my long hair and to like go crazy with colors first, and then I wanna just cut it up again. But with this situation, I'll see how it lasts, and if it lasts well and I take care of them well, like how long I can keep it. Yeah, it really like makes me feel happy and confident. Thank you for watching. Thank you. I'll post another video pretty soon. See ya.